and welcome back. Hey, what is wrong with the dog? Today we are going to do quick, realistic mommy makeup. Today I'm going to my daughter's first cheerleading game of the season, and we're gonna be outside, and it is going to be hot. So we're doing a quick, realistic mommy makeup. I'm going to be using this tinted sunscreen in the shade 4. It's a little darker than me only because I am going to be outside a lot, and I know my summertime skin gets a little darker than my wintertime skin. So we're going to be using this in shade 4 as my foundation. And I am going to be using the Fenty Beauty, it's called We're Even, in the shade 370N for under my eyes, concealer under my eyes, and this tinted bronzer. So I already did my lashes last night. This is my first time, well, my second time doing lashes, and they came out okay. Definitely could be better. Gonna start with the brows. I don't do a whole lot to my brows. They have been waxed. This is Browy Wowie by LA Colors. It's a cheap drugstore one, but it definitely does what it is supposed to do. It is a tint, which I don't need tint because my eyebrows are so thick, but it's a tint and gel in one. So do that real quick. That's all my eyebrow really need. Then we're gonna do our tinted sunscreen. This really, you only need just a little bit. I have my Morphe, I don't know the names of brushes and all that, but this is Morphe. You see how that covered? This is like full coverage sunscreen. It's really, really good. I love it. I absolutely love it. I'm gonna put some on my eyelids because I'm not doing why can't I think? Eyeshadow. Okay, then we're gonna go in with a little bit of concealer to kind of brighten up the eyes just a little bit. And then I'm gonna put a little bit on under my brow. My brows have like a natural line, but I like to define it just a little bit more. And then I'm gonna use the same brush that has a little bit of the concealer, the foundation, to dab it in. Okay, bronzer. This is the tinted bronzer. I'm gonna use this as a matte brush. Ever. I love it. I'm gonna use a little on my cheek. This bronzer is very subtle but very, very glowy and cute. Can y'all see that? Very, very glowy and cute. And I'm gonna do a little bit here. Okay. Now this is not something like I'm rushing, so it could be a quick, easy makeup. It's literally this easy. So since I already have on eyelashes, I'm just gonna do, this is my Max Stack waterproof. 10 out of 10 recommend. I'm just gonna put some on my bottom lashes. And again, this is not something that is rushed, so it could be quick and easy. It really is just quick and easy. Okay, so for my lips, I'm just gonna do a liner. This is my Morphe Soulmate. I have on a little moisturizer, but it's not tinted or anything. So I'm just gonna line my lips. And I'm gonna use my Dior lip gloss. I'm not doing too much because it's daytime and we're going to a sporting event. And then I'm gonna just do a little highlighter on the tip of my nose just to give it that glow. Just to give it a little glow. Again, I'm gonna use my this is Morphe as well. Do a little highlighter. And I'm gonna blend it with my fingertip. I'm gonna do a little bit on my lid, just a little bit. See that? Just a little bit. And boom, we are all set. I'm gonna set it with my Anastasia Dewy setting spray. This setting spray, in the sun, this setting spray is giving. This setting spray is a whole vibe in itself. Like, I love this setting spray. So we are done with our quick and easy, realistic mommy makeup. Let's get this hair done and we're ready to go. We're ready to go to the park.